Hi, I'm Derek from TCI, and in this episode we're going to be working on our Inspiron 7306 2-in-1 tablet laptop combo. That's this one here. To open this laptop, you'll only need a Phillips 00-bit and your trusty nod-marring pry tool. Let's get started. On the back side of this laptop are 7 screws. The screws nearest the hinges are captured. They will not come out of the case. You're just going to loosen these 3 along the hinge. The other ones will come out. You'll find with the Inspiron 7300 that the bottom case comes away pretty easily. I like to start at the hinge and pry it up there. Because these captured screws are here, this is the weakest point. It won't take much to remove the cover. Once you've got that cover off, what you're looking for is your solid state disk, your battery, your Wi-Fi, and your CPU cooling fan. On this particular model, the solid state disk right here is one of the short SSDs. It's not the full length SSD, the 80 millimeter. This is one of the 20s. So what you'll see a lot of people do is not be able to find their solid state. So it's directly above the main battery. There's a single screw holding it in position, which you can remove with your Phillips driver. Keep that screw. There you go. You'll then install your replacement storage unit. Return this support bracket if you need to use it, and replace all the screws. When you are replacing the bottom cover, the clips are along the left and right sides, so that is where you will push down. It won't go all the way down because you've got captured screws here in the hinges. Those are still pointing down. They're going to stop you. So you want to screw those in first. In order to snap those back into position. The rest of the clip should go a lot easier after that happens. Once you get all the screws back, boot it up, and you're done. Now you can do it too. Thanks for watching.